Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to break down one of the most important concepts in Excel, relative versus absolute references. If you have ever struggled with your formulas breaking when copied, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what relative references are. When you copy a formula with the relative reference, Excel adjusts the references based on its new location. On the other hand, absolute references stay fixed no matter where you copy them. Let's take sample dataset of sales data with a column product, unit price and quantity sold. We want to calculate the total sales for each product by multiplying unit price and quantity sold. First, let's create a formula using relative references. So here we can type equal to unit price multiplied by quantity sold. So now we'll hit the enter. So it will give total sales. Now if we drag this down, the Excel will automatically calculate the total sales for remaining. So as you can see this. So this is the example for relative references. Now let's say we have a tax rate of 2%. Now we need to calculate the tax for all the total sales. So we'll calculate equal to total sales multiplied by the tax, that is 2%. Now if we hit the enter, as you can see the tax is given here. So now if we drag this down, as you can see we are not getting tax for remaining. Why? Because this G2 is not fixed. So we need to fix this G2. How we can fix this? By entering a dollar symbol to the row and column, that is G and 2. So now this G2 is fixed. Now if you drag this down, as you can see we are getting a tax for the total sales. And that's it. Now you understand the difference between relative and absolute references and how to use them in Excel. If this helped to you, give the video a like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thank you.